What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shania. I'm back with a new video. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Today's video is in collaboration with LuvMe Hair. They were kind enough to send me this unit that I'm absolutely in love with. So this is their Afro curly undetectable invisible lace unit. I received this in 20 inches. It's 180% density unit. The lace is Swiss lace. It was quite easy to work with. You guys will see throughout the video that I didn't have to bleach the knots or anything, so it's quite beginner friendly. There's an adjustable fan at the back of the unit, and it also has 4 combs on the inside. It's in a natural black color, and the hair is very kinky curly. It's given very much voluptuous vibes, 90s 80s inspo, that kind of vibe. So yeah, I'm really in love with this unit. So let's just jump right into the installation process of this video.
When 2 seconds ago said you just got in the house, it's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself. When I just heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Getting caught up in your game when you cannot say my name. I know you say that I am assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you act this way.
So now that my wig cap is on, I'm gonna be applying some foundation powder to the wig cap, just because I'm not going to be doing much to the wig today. I'm not bleaching the knots or any of that jazz. So the wig came pre-plucked. However, I did go in and pluck it just a little bit more to suit my hairline. Hopefully I did a good job. So I'm just going to apply some foundation to the wig so that it blends seamlessly with my wig cap that's on my head. Alright, so that's both of the ear tabs all cut. So let's get into melting this lace. So I'm just going to cut it at different parts of the hairline, like so. So I cut 4 flabs at the front of my hair. There's 1, there's 2, 3, and 4. That's 4 flaps. So I'm going to be using the Bed Head Extra Strong Hairspray to lay my wig today. Now I'm just gonna apply my elastic band. I feel like I want to do a side part, so I'm gonna go with this side.
You would say, baby, how's your day? But today, it ain't the same. Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl that you claim, why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? I know you say that I haven't so many things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you act strange. Nobody's holding you back from me. I know how you usually do. When you're saying everything to me times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody said, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. You ain't kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Say my name. If no one is around you, baby, I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. What is up with this? Tell the truth. Who you with? How would you like it if I came over with my click? Don't try to change it now. Saying you gotta bounce when 2 seconds ago said you just got in the house. It's hard to believe that you
Wear this unit. You can definitely wear this unit in several different styles. Maybe back in a bun or half up, half down, however you prefer. I personally love the way I'm wearing it right now. I just love the kind of vibe it's given. Yeah, so I'm really in love with this unit. I would definitely recommend that you guys just check out LuvMe Hair. And if you're looking for like a kinky curly unit, definitely check this one out as well. This hair is so nice, very limited shedding. It's so thick and bouncy, and the curls, it's very much giving me natural hair but with a wig, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, I would definitely recommend you guys check this out. I think I do have a discount code. I'll probably put it on the screen if I do. So we've reached the end of this video. Thank you so much to LuvMe Hair for sending me this gorgeous unit. If you guys want to see more videos like this on my channel, comment that down below. And besides that, remember to hit that subscribe button. We're on our road to 1K subscribers. We're not quite there yet, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye, lovelies.